my name is Avi from Carpet Cheap. Today's video we're going to be talking about a couple different qualities of hardwood floors. The first quality we're going to be talking about the clear select. Your clear select is going to have more like a uniform color. It's going to have more long pieces. It's going to have a better locking system. This is your clear select. The next quality is going to be your quality number one. And on your quality number one, you're going to see a couple things that I want to tell you and I want to point it so you can kind of have an idea of what you can expect. It's going to have more nuts. It's going to have more long pieces. It's going to have a uniform color too. Quality number two, what you're going to see is you're going to see more short pieces. You're going to see more nuts. And you're going to see a mineral streak color and a variation of color too. Quality number three, you're going to see a variation of colors. You're going to see short pieces, and most of the companies they're going to recommend you to stain it to a dark color if you're not happy or related to a light color like this. I want to show you a couple points, a couple things that you might see when you get a number three. One thing is you're going to see all these imperfections on it. You're going to see a variation of colors. You're going to see a bigger knots. Also, your number threes is going to have between 10 to 20% more of a cutting allowance.